There he is. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Good, man. Let me throw this in somewhere.
Nice.
I don't know about flying it in rain, but I'm willing to be a little risky.
Rebel?
70D.
Nice.
Yeah.
How late are you willing to stay out tonight?
As late as it takes, man.
11 midnight we'll be chasing, which means we might not get back home till 2, 3, maybe 4 o'clock in the morning. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this. We got GoPro mounts.
Cell phone signal boosters. Radar running. We got Red Bull and Del Taco.
So school me a little bit on thunderstorms.
Hot air rises and cold air sinks. Humidity dew points. The higher the better. Holy.
Kevin says we're looking for discrete supercells. I don't necessarily know what that means, but he says that they're a small, concentrated force of storm. That we're gonna be chasing. That's our storm right there. So we had enough time to get a couple of shots on his end. I got a time lapse and sent the quad up, and it just started hailing out of nowhere. Like literally, this one huge piece of hail hits Kevin's car. Oh, was that hail, dude?
Yeah, look at the
dude.
ground.
The hail is huge. Oh, dude. And he's like, dude, look at this. And it was like this big. And I was like, we have to get out of here.
Sometimes you chase the storm, other times the storm chases you. So there's a bunch of cardinal rules of storm chasing, one of which is called core punching. It's going through the core of the storm. Right now we're about to do the...
We're gonna punch that core.
Here on the left side you can see it going up and kind of looks like cauliflower on the left hand side. This is the updraft of the storm.
We've been chasing this storm. I think it's gonna die out before we get to, before it gets dark enough for us to see enough of the lightning. But this has been fun chasing what I will now dub Storm Kevin. A bunch of really cool shots. Oh, look out, look out!
Good call, thank you.
Kevin almost died.
Well, thank you for saving my life.
You're welcome. You did almost die right there.
I kind of really
You
did.
almost literally did. I don't think that person even saw you with your reflective vest on.
And even if they did, they couldn't stop in time.
No, dude. They're going fast. I have dramatic lighting so that I can tell this story. There once was a quadcopter. I crashed into what I think is a power line, and luckily it survived. I'm stupid for flying so close to a power line. This is how we heat up our burrito, our Del Taco in the wild. I almost lost my full 64 gigabyte SD card, and in the meantime ran out another 16 gigabyte one.